So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the app Pizap to make any PNG photo, to turn any photo you have into a PNG, right? Like a little sticker. So I'm just going into my Pizap album that I made and selecting the photo I want. There are tons of things to do on this app, so try not to get confused, but go ahead and check out all the different features they have on the app. We're going to start with the background eraser though. And from here, we're going to go ahead and automatically select. You see there's custom, there's shapes, but then there's an option called automatic as well. So once we select the automatic feature, it's going to kind of sense out the person or the thing in the image that wants to be cropped out. And then you can go in through and make sure. I think this one really got all of my curves and everything is in this PNG. So from here, I can just add an outline to it. And I like this for like if you guys are YouTubers or if you guys are putting this PNG on top of another photo, the outline really helps make your PNG stand out. And you can make this line as thin or as thick as you want. I changed it to the color gray because that's just the aesthetic I'm getting from this photo. And then to top it all off, guys, we can even add text, emojis, all types of things at the end. So I'm going to add my name, which becomes now a part of the PNG. And I'm going to also put that with the border and change that to the color gray, just like the outline. Boom. And just like that, we're done. We've created our own PNG. If you guys are business owners, for me, I braid hair. So I would put this PNG on all of my hair photos, but you guys can go ahead and save it. You can add little cool emojis and stickers to it, like I said, but you're all set. Everybody download Pizap. It's free.